everybody, it's Rosemary, and this is Tripping with Skipper. I'm going to show you my solar setup today. So here's my lithium battery. It's actually in the step as you come into under the step as you come into the RV. That there is a smart shunt, which monitors the inflow and outflow of energy. This is my inverter, positive to my inverter, and that is a block fuse that I use to protect the battery and the inverter there. Solar charger coming in, and that's the alternator charger for the battery. So this battery can be charged from the RV electrical system. It can be charged from the alternator while I'm driving, and also from the solar. This is the solar charger. It's a Rover, and it tells me how much voltage is coming in, and if all those lights here are lit, that means it's charging somewhat. I have an app. This is the Bluetooth for that. I have an app that I can tap in and see what's being charged, how much wattage, how much voltage, how many amps. Here's the little breaker so that my positive to the battery from the solar charger comes into a little breaker. And then this goes down into the battery, straight into the battery. My negative from the solar charger comes down to my inverter, right, which is a 2,000 watt inverter there. And then the inverter negative comes into here. And that's from the alternator. Yeah, and this goes to the battery. The wiring for the panels comes in here, positive and negative. These are my 4 100 watt solar panels, and you can see to the right where the cables go into the RV. And I have a couple of fans going right now because it's warm, and I have my table lamp and charging my phone, my computer, that kind of thing. And I boil my water for coffee in the morning and grind my coffee. So it's not a constant load, but I used these brackets, these Z brackets, to put these on. And then I went over them with self-leveling caulk. Here's a diagram of the solar setup. So that's the solar setup. I've listed the components and the links to products in the description. Hopefully that'll help you out. And we'll see you next time.